So guys, today on this episode, we are here and super excited to be able to have Joe Sullivan on. Joe Sullivan is just a man of the people. I met Joe back at my UMass Lowell days, alma mater. Whoop, whoop, go Riverhawks. And Joe and I, we just were in so many different clubs and just active on campus too.
Yes, sir.
From Dean Student Leadership Council for the Manning School of Business to males, which is men achieving leadership excellence and success, really just taught us the foundation of what it means to be like an excellent man. And on the other side of that, we were also in gospel choir together, preaching, praying, singing, getting it. Hey. It was some good times, Joe.
Vanilla White, the greatest to ever do it.
Vanilla White, she really is. And Joe is also a master musician, killing it on the cello, just right? Right? Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm holding it properly, but
You got it.
It's all on the shoulders too, right? Is it in the shoulders?
You actually don't want to use your arm and your elbow too much.
Okay.
It's definitely in the forearm.
Gotta practice good form.
Sorry, I'm just gonna dance. But yeah, so back to that. Definitely welcome to the pod. Glad to be able to have you on. And it's super special because you are the first guest to be able to jump on. Guest numero uno.
Yes, sir.
Let's get some
Appreciate
buckets.
you guys.
Amen.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.